I wanna thank you for giving me the time to breathe. Like a rock, you waited so patiently while I got it together, while I figured it out. I only looked, but I never touched. 'Cause in my heart was a picture of us holding hands and making plans. And it's lucky for me you understand what a girl wants, what a girl needs. Whatever makes me happy sets you free. And I'm thanking you for knowing exactly what a girl wants, what a girl needs. Whatever keeps me in your arms, and I'm thanking you for giving it to me.